Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tushari's Math Academy. Today I'm going to do the grade 10 English medium rates, that is 22nd chapter. Right. Okay. When it comes to rate, we are learning about the speed. Speed equals distance divided by time. Now look at this example. Right. A motor car takes 3 hours to travel 120 kilometers. Find the speed of the motor car. Distance divided by time. Distance is 120 meters. Our time 3 hours. When you divide kilometers by hours, you get kilometers per hour. Right? That is 40 kilometers per hour. That is the speed. Right? Now we'll see how to find average speed. Now that is normally that's how you find the speed. Now look at this example. Average speed. Right. Now look at this. Average speed equals average distance divided by the average time. A cyclist travels first 10 kilometers, speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Right now, there is the distance. The cyclist divides this distance into 3 categories and he travels, right? Cyclist travel the first 10 kilometers, speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Then the next 15 kilometers, 15 kilometers per hour speed. And the last kilometer, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers per hour, right? We'll find one by one the time slots. T1, T2, we'll take T3. Time 1, right? Speed equals distance divided by time. Time equals distance divided by the speed. Time for first part, T1, I'll take T1. Distance divided by the speed. Right? Distance is 10, then T1 equals distance divided by the speed, 20. Yeah, then 1 over 2, that is half an hour, right? Half an hour, right? Second one, 15 divided by 15, this will get 1 hour. Third part, 5 kilometers divided by the 10 kilometers per hour, that is half an hour, right? When you add all the time, you get 2 hours, right? Right. Now we'll take all the distance. What is the total distance? 1530 kilometers. To find the average speed, average distance divided by the average time. Average distance is 30 kilometers. This time is 2 hours. Then 15 kilometers per hour. That is the average speed of the motorcycle. Right. I assume you can understand that part, how to find the average speed. You get all the total distance and the total time and divide all together. Right. Next one, distance and time graphs. Right? Distance and time graphs means distance and time we draw, right? This is time, T, and this is distance, right? This is distance, right? When you draw the distance and time, we'll get the gradient. Gradient means distance and time. When you divide gradient, you get distance divided by time. Actually, that is a speed, right? If you want to find the speed of this time slot, you get the gradient. There you get the speed, right? Gradient of the straight line, right? Next come volume and time. Right. Now, to find the volume, you use liters and milliliters. Liters and milliliters. Right. Go to this one first. Right. Okay. Now volume and time. 1 cubic. Now we'll see the relation between cubic centimeters and liters. 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. That's the relation between cubic centimeters and 1 milliliter. That's the easiest relation. Right? 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1,000 milliliters. That equals 1 liter. 1 cubic meters equals 1,000 liters. Got it? Right? That's how you find the volume. You have done in smaller grades how to convert cubic centimeters into milliliters like that. Now look at this. A pipe fills tanks at the rate of 12 liters per minute. Now there is a tank. From a pipe, we fill this tank. Right? Water fill with this pipe to the tank. Okay? A pipe fills a tank at the rate of 12 liters per minute. Right? How the water comes? Per minute, 12 liters. 12 liters per minute. Right? If I open for 1 minute, this pipe will flow 12 liters. That's the mean. Per minute, it flows 12 liters. Whose length, breadth, and height like respectively. Find the time taken. Now, we first will find the volume of this tank. 1.5, 1.5. Once you multiply, you get 4.5 cubic meters. That means you multiply this by 1,000 to convert into liters. That is 4,500 liters. Okay? Right now, we'll find per minute how many 12. To show 12 liters, it takes 1 minute. Then 4,500, you divide by 12. There you get 375 minutes. It takes 375 minutes. Now, we don't say like that. We'll divide this by 60, convert into hours. Then 5 hours and 6 hours. That's sorry, 6 hours. When you divide by 6 hours and 15 minutes. It takes 6 hours and 15 minutes to fill this tank with the pipe. Right. Okay. I assume you can understand this lesson very well. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you can get all the future lessons. Thank you for watching my video.